Hey guys! Most people need to adjust their protein consumption for improved workout performance and muscle building. Protein powders help by giving just the right amount of protein for our daily needs. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 protein powders available in the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And here are the top 5 protein powders. Fifth on our list is the Pharm Combat Protein Powder. The Pharm Combat is perfect for optimized recovery, muscle growth, and support strength. It works by maximizing lean muscle growth and ensuring proper protein utilization, so you are sure to get all the protein and nutrients that you need. It is filled with a variety of protein sources that digest at varying rates to fuel your muscles efficiently. Its features are good taste. The Pharm Combat will surely tickle your taste buds when mixed with milk, almond milk, water, fruits, and vegetables. It is a perfect addition for more great tasting smoothies and shakes. And it is gluten-free. This product contains less than 20 grams per kilogram of gluten with an award-winning taste. Its pros are, it is banned substance tested. You do not need to worry about banned substances because this product has undergone rigorous checks and testing to ensure that it is only packed with the essential ingredients that you need. And it has 5 protein sources like whey protein concentrate, hydrolysate and isolate, egg albumin, and micellar casein. All of these vary from fast to slow digesting to fuel muscles and performance for hours. However, it is sometimes difficult to mix. Even if it contains soy lecithin, you need to shake and mix longer to ensure no fair amount of granules will settle at the bottom. Fourth on our list is the Kos Organic Plant-Based Protein Powder. If you are looking for a delicious and satisfying drink packed with organic ingredients, then the Kos Organic is the protein powder for you. It features a raw vegan powder composed of healthy fibers and digestive enzymes that can help your digestive system run more efficiently. Since it is made of plant-based products, it leaves behind a smaller environmental footprint during production, which is a big help in conserving the environment. Its features include all natural ingredients. This product provides the best quality vegan organic protein powder ingredients which are perfect for mixing with your favorite smoothie for a healthy vegan snack. And an adequate amount of protein. It contains 20 grams of protein to make sure that you get all the protein you need every day. The pros are amazing flavor. Kos Organic offers an amazing chocolate flavor packed with organic Peruvian cacao that will make you come back for more. And it is dairy, gluten, and soy-free. All the ingredients are sustainably sourced and plant-based, which requires fewer non-renewable resources to produce than animal-based protein products. On the downside, it contains tree nuts. If you have a nut allergy, you might want to look for another protein powder out there. Don't you worry because there are a lot more in the market that you can choose from, so stay tuned. We are already halfway on our list. The third on our list is the Garden of Life Raw Organic Protein Vanilla Powder. True to its name, the Garden of Life Raw Organic has raw organic protein that can support digestive functions with live probiotics and protein digesting enzymes. There are no added fillers or carriers in the product to preserve its complete amino acid integrity and whole food. Its features include, it is certified organic, no prohibited herbicides, pesticides, or fungicides are used in the ingredients of this product. There is also no usage of GMOs, hormones, or antibiotics, so you get an all-natural experience. And probiotics. It has around 3 billion colony-forming units of probiotics and enzymes to ease digestion. Constipation will never be a problem with this product. The pros are higher protein content. As compared to other protein powders in the market, this product contains a higher amount. It has 22 grams of complete, sugar-free plant protein from USA-grown peas and 13 raw organic sprouts, and it is packed with vitamins and minerals. This vanilla protein powder includes fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K that can help you complete your daily vitamin requirement. Its con, though, is its chalky texture. The taste and texture of this product can be somewhat chalky for others. You could prefer to dissolve it first in whatever drink that you like to avoid its raw texture. Second on our list is the Isopura Zero Carb Protein Powder. This zero-carb, keto-friendly protein powder can support your active lifestyle during post-workouts, in between meals, and along with a healthy breakfast. It can support your weight management goals by providing only 100 to 110 calories per serving. Its features are 100% whey protein isolate. It is a high-quality protein source that provides 25 grams per serving to support muscle growth and regeneration. It is higher as compared to other whey protein powders out there. Keto-friendly. You do not have to worry too much if you are practicing a keto diet because this protein powder can help support your ketogenic macros. The pros are, it is gluten and lactose-free. No need to worry about upsetting your stomach. You can enjoy adding it to your preferred snacks and drinks without hesitation. And zero carbs. Watching your calorie intake? No problem because it provides 0 carbs per serving. The cons are its artificial flavors and sweeteners. It contains these additional ingredients to provide better taste and appearance. If you are aiming for a more natural experience with your protein powder, this may not be for you. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Now we've reached the first protein powder on our list, the Garden of Life Meal Replacement. What makes the Garden of Life meal replacement so special? Together with 20 grams of clean and organic plant protein, it has 44 superfoods, including organic grass juices and 6 grams of fiber for your digestive needs. You get more than just a protein powder with this product. It is also packed with around 21 vitamins and minerals. Its features are meal replacement. It can be a perfect meal replacement by providing you with a tasty, smooth protein shake with 1.5 billion colony-forming units of probiotics and enzyme for increased digestion, and vegan-friendly. It is gluten-free, dairy-free, and soy-free, which is perfect for your vegan diet. The pros are, the world-class sports anti-doping lab has certified that all the ingredients used in this product are free of banned substances, and perfect for post-workout recovery. After a very tiring workout, it can help boost your energy with all the superfood ingredients that it contains. However, the Garden of Life meal replacement can be a bit gritty, but if you consider blending the powder with a banana, a bar of chocolate, or a yogurt, you will no longer feel the texture. And that's it for our top 5 protein powders. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the top 5 protein powders, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If I helped you out in any way, please hit that like and subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next videos.